Hare Krishna to one and all. So today we'll go with the basics or a synopsis of a Bhagavad Gita. So before that we'll go with Guru Prana Mantra and all. Namavom Vishnu Padhaya Krishna Presthaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Niti Namine Namaste Saraswati Devi Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Pachatya Deshakarine Namo Acharya Padhaya Nitai Krupa Padhaine Gaurakata Dhamadaya Nagaragamadharine Jaya Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadara Shiva Sadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Vancha Kalpatarubhyasya Krupa Sindhu Vayevacha Patitanam Pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namaha Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. Hare Krishna once again to one and all. So there are many Nishopadesh has been available, out of which Bhagavad Gita has been always stood in the top place, because the Lord Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, he himself has explored this Bhagavad Gita to Arjuna. Why Krishna has been explored this Bhagavad Gita only to the Arjuna? Because Arjuna is more dearest friend to the Lord Krishna, and Arjuna has completely accepted Krishna as a guru, and he completely surrendered to the Lord Krishna. Then Krishna has been explored this Bhagavad Gita to Arjuna. This Krishna explores the theme of dharma. So dharma is nothing but a duty, and karma is an action, and path to liberate. So liberate is nothing but getting a moksha and all. So by reading Bhagavad Gita, and Bhagavad Gita will answer 5 major questions. First thing is, who am I? Second, who is God? And third, what is my relationship with God? And fourth, the purpose of human life. And fifth, so where we will go and what I will be after death. So these are the major 5 questions that Bhagavad Gita answers. The first thing is, who am I? So we all are only souls, not on a body. The soul which has been taken this body only for particular this lifetime only. After death, the soul will go away from this body and will take into some other body based on the activities which we have been performed in this lifetime. So how we wear our shirt, then how we will remove, in the same way the soul will take the body, and after the completion of life it will take into the some other body. And second thing is, who is God? God is creator of this entire world, and we all are part and parcel of this Lord. And third, what is our relationship with the Lord? So in Bhagavad Gita, Lord clearly tells us, Aham bija pradhaitini. So you all are my sons of me. He clearly explained, Aham bija pradhaitini. So I am the source of all spiritual and material world, and everything and every element has been came from me. So God has been declared himself as he is the creator, and we all are being came from him, and he is the bija pradhaini. And fourth is the purpose of human life. So this is the major things. So here the human beings are being wasting their human life simply by eating, sleeping and enjoying, and they try to protect what they have. Simply eating, mating, defending and all, it's common between the humans and animal. So what makes superior? So there are more 8.4 billion types of bodies has been available, and for God has been given brain or buddhi to the only human for God realization or for self realizations. So people need to seek answers like, why do I be suffering? Even I don't want to suffer. So dharmasya hi pashubi samanaha. So if you won't get such kind of answer, then we are being equal with animals. So God has been given this buddhi for only self-realization and God realization. And whatever we are being getting this human life based on the activities which have been performed in the previous birth. And whatever is there, we need to accept it. And even Bhagavad Gita and Krishna, he himself has been declared that it is an dukkhalai, ashashvatam. So there is no happiness in this human life. So our motto we should be go back to the Godhead. So it is possible only with the completely surrender to the Lord. So Krishna himself has been told that surrender to him, I will be taking of all your sins and I will keep you liberated, mukti. So people will keep on asking, what is this, surrendered or sharanagati? So which is nothing but whatever you do, please involve Krishna, then automatically it will become a spiritual. And whatever you take, please take Krishna Prasadam. Always chant Lord's name. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. And always hear the Lord's Katha. And always you should have a Lord Krishna Chintan. Always you should have a Smaran of Lord name. And you need to do all the which has been explained in the Bhagavad Gita. You need to follow each and everything. That is the surrender to the Lord. And fifth, where will I go after death? So after death, the soul will leave this body and it will take to the some other body based on the activities which you have been performed. Lord Krishna Chintan. Always you should have a Smaran of Lord name. And you need to do all the which has been explained in the Bhagavad Gita. You need to follow each and everything. That is the surrender to the Lord. And fifth, where will I go after death? So after death, the soul will leave this body and it will take to the some other body based on the activities which you have been performed in this lifetime. So that is the thing. If you want to mukti, if you want to liberate, please completely surrender to the Lord. To the automatically, so God, he will accept all your sins and he will take you back to the Goloka. So this is the thing. And so always life is not about the material advancement but spiritual advancement as well. And even in Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna clearly explained Dharmo Rakshati Rakshitaha. If you follow the Dharma, automatically Dharma will protect you. So what is Dharma? Dharma is nothing but it depends on mainly four. One thing is truthfulness and compassion for all and austerity and cleanliness. These are the four things. And adharma is, what is adharma? Adharma is intoxication. Those who take non-alcohol and all, they are all doing adharma. And meat eating, killing of animal just to satisfy our tongue, it is an adharma. And illicit affairs between a men and women. And fourth thing is gambling. So if you want to follow the dharma, please avoid these four things. Again I will keep on repeating. First thing is intoxication, second thing is illicit affairs between the men and women, and third thing is meat eating, and fourth is gambling. If you want to lead a happy and peaceful life, please avoid these four adharma rules. And even in Kali Yuga, everyone want an instant result. Everyone want an fast. So if you want an spiritual advancement, so people need to follow 5 most powerful ways to make quick spiritual advancement. First thing is a deity worship, worshipping the Lord. And second thing is residing in holy place. Holy place, going the pilgrimages like many Puri Jagannath, Mayapur, Vrindavan, Kashi, and whatever, going to the spiritual holy places, need to hear the katha from all the sadhus and all. And third is studying or hearing of Bhagavad Gita or Bhagavatam. With that too, with a guru or those who have spiritual advancement, please need to hear from them. And fifth, Vaishnava Seva, serving the devotees of the Lord. It is a more dearest to the Lord. If you want to impress the Lord, please serve the Vaishnavas. So these are the 5 most powerful ways to make a quick spiritual advancement that too in Kali Yuga. If you look into the Kali Yuga, there are 4 yugas has been available. First thing is Satya Yuga. In Satya Yuga, the lifespan of one human being is 1 lakh years. So people used to get liberated or mukti by doing a tapasya for 30 to 40 years. Then next is a Tetra Yuga. From 1 lakh, the lifespan of the human beings lifespan is 1 lakh. It has been come down to 10,000 years. Here people used to get liberated or mukti by doing yagnas. And third, from Tetra Yuga to Dwapara Yuga, the lifespan of human has been come down from 10,000 to 1,000 years. Here people used to get liberated or mukti by doing deity worship or archana and all. And this Kali Yuga. In Kali Yuga, God, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he himself has been told, just chant the Lord name. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Just if you want to chant the Lord name, so automatically the God will be going to take us from here to Goloka. So this is what, so next time we will come with some other. Hare Krishna.